Hello guys, today I'm gonna read you a book named Chimpanzees. I show you right now. Okay, I'm gonna start. Chimpanzees. Chimpanzees are mammals called primates. Monkeys, apes, and humans are primates too. Chimpanzees live in African forests and grasslands. There are four subspecies or type of chimp. They are named for where they live. Mammals, animals that have hair or fur and feed their babies with milk. Chimps are small primates and have big brains. Like other primates have thumb and big toes that can grip. Other bodies are covered with black hair. The hair turns into gray with age. Chimps do not have hair on their faces, fingers or bottoms of their feet. A male chimp is about 4 feet 1.2 meters tall. A female is shorter. Chimps have long arms. They like to walk on their knuckles. They use their long arms to swing through. Chimps grip branches and other objects with their hands. They make tools of sticks, steps, and rocks to help chimps get food. Chimps walk off fours with their knuckles and feet. Chimps in different places use tools in different ways. A chimp will fish the termites. These insects live in mounds of dirt. Chimps that live in rainforests like to eat a lot of fruit. Chimps eat seeds, bark, and some small animals too. One baby chimpanzee is born at a time. A baby drinks milk from its mother. The mother teaches her young how to find food. Young chimps love to play and learn how to get along with others. Chimps can live about 45 years in the wild. Young chimps stay with their mother until age 7. They're always together. 15 to 150 chimpanzees live together in a group. Chimps in the community hoot at each other. They keep each other safe from predators. One male leads the community, a family group of chimpanzees predators. The animals that kill and eat other animals. Chimps cuddle each other and also kiss, hug, and tickle. Chimps like to groom each other. They clean bugs and dirt off their hair. Chimps make a lot of sound to talk to talk to one another. Every night they build a new nest in the trees. Chimpanzees are anger animals. That means that there are not many left in the wild. People can see chimps in the zoo today. They like to watch these smart animals at work. Fewer than 300,000 chimps are thought to still be in the wild. A chimpanzee tail. Why don't chimpanzees have tails? In Africa, told a story about this. Once a chimpanzee had a long tail. Its tail helped to climb higher and reach the best food. The chimpanzee ate too much that and other animals were hungry, and the eagle took the tail one day. And the chimp has been without it ever since.